Hey guys, a little more here, and I want to say hello to you real quick. We're doing it again. We're going to open up our coaching session for 2016. I tell you what, if you had spent this whole year fumbling around, not sure what to do, not making calls, not getting those emails sent out, not getting people's attention, then I think this is the time for you to take on the coaching sessions that we have to offer, okay? Now, one thing I know for sure is you have to have a coach unless you want to just try and survive your own way and not knowing what to do for days at a time, missing out on important money and revenues that could be coming in. Even Warren Buffett said, if you don't have money coming in on automatic, then you might as well just, get a job for the rest of your life, because it's the truth. Guys, we're going to help you get through the struggles that you have probably had for a very long time. And I'll tell you what, if you look back at what you did right now in the past, 10, 11 months, do you want that same thing to happen again next year? Come on, I know your dream is not to just be procrastinating over and over again. That is not a good thing. So, we are offering a few spots. And I'm telling you, we're only taking 3. We're only taking 3 spots. That's what we did last time. We're opening this up again. If you are wanting to be a part of this, then click the button below. Get started. We'll need some information from you to see how serious you are. We'll need to know a little bit about what you've been doing this year, and we'll go from there. Hey, you can have Bill, you can have me, you can have both of us, whatever you want. So with that being said, it's time to make a change. Let's kick 2016 in the butt, like right now. Let's get ready for it. So, hey, we'll open this up for 3 days. Get on it. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.